on my keyboard, but she says that because I have the blue switches, probably not really going to do anything. So I'm going to try and get a keyboard with different switches that is still pink, but for this week we're probably still going to be stuck with kind of that clicky sound while I'm typing. I'm going to try and point the microphone a little bit further away from... Oh dear. Oh no. Oh, I pressed the KVM button and... Okay. I'm drinking some Snoopy chai tea today. I really like the Snoopy chai tea. I should really figure out, well, whatever. I'm going back to Japan. I can just buy more Snoopy chai tea. So we're going to look at a few different PRs today. I thought it was going to be kind of SQL focused, but looking at the list that I made for myself, it's actually not really that organized. But that's okay, except for the fact that I've lost my mouse in pressing the KVM button. It's no longer updating. So give me a second. We're going to fuck around with this a little bit, and hopefully my mouse comes. There we go. Okay, looks like that was just a slight USB hiccup. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this is started on YouTube and Twitch, because Restream, while lovely, is occasionally a little bit flaky. Yep, okay, we're live on YouTube. Great. And on Twitch. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to switch this over to the live view. You can see we bought a new grill recently, but yeah. Okay. Well, okay, so first off, I didn't actually sign in. I thought I pressed that button already. Okay, I am signed in. Let's take a look at the PRs that I've commented on in the past few code review sessions we've done and make sure we follow up on those, because we want to make sure we close the loop. Okay. Okay, that's this one's kind of complicated, but we should definitely take a look at it. Same thing with this one. So I'm not sure how complicated this one is. Oh, this one I definitely want to see through. We looked at that last week. Okay, cool. We got a good set of PRs to look at today. First one we're going to look at is DataFrameWriter support, insert into a specific table or partition. Make the API more kind. Wait. Okay. Seems reasonable. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that's useful advice. And then if we go down here, okay, and they're interested in working with it in Hive. Okay. So I'm just kind of guessing. This person probably has some data they want to insert into a specific table partition. I'm a little bit confused why this isn't like auto-discovered, I guess. But maybe I don't have enough context on this. Okay, so we had they're putting this partition all the way through. And this partition info is a map. It's an empty map by default. This is okay. I mean, yeah. So I don't. So personally, I'm gonna leave a comment, and it's like how I feel. It's not like particularly official, so I need to make sure. personally, I'd prefer us to expose the map rather than doing string parsing. I could understand rather than doing string parsing, unless is this matching an API in another system which is built like this, maybe. And so this is more of my personal preference, but we it's easy for us to make mistakes parsing strings when I don't have to. It's nice to avoid. And it's just like, yeah, I mean, if this is the best way to do it, cool, great. On the other hand, I don't like, what about if someone's partition key has a quote inside of it? Like, there's no reason not to expose the map, unless maybe there is a reason not to expose the map, and they'll explain that to me in a minute. Or by in a minute, I mean probably about 7 days, because open source. Let's go ahead and check in on the YouTube stream as well. See if we have any friends yet. No friends yet. Very lonely. Okay. Yeah, okay, I got that part. Actually, I guess really that's my only comment, because this partition spec is already here. In this run command, so okay. I guess that's good. So just a comment. Not super familiar with this code path, but would love your thoughts. And so that's just like a way of like being really clear, like I am saying something, but like I'm not saying that like they need to do it this way. You know, it's totally possible I'm wrong, and they'll point it out. I mean, that's always true, but like when I'm uncertain of myself, like I like to make it extra clear. Accumulator should only be updated once for each successful task in shuffle map stage. Interesting. So this is a work in progress PR, although interestingly enough, someone's already signed off on it. So that's kind of weird. Okay. This is a follow-up PR. Okay, lovely. Seems reasonable. Yes. Yeah, okay, so this was a mistake wherein our documentation said one thing, we did another. It's a work in progress. Okay. I'm interested to see this in part because I've been working on the Accumulator API before. I'm not. I don't think I have a lot to add here. Each successful result task. So what this says is shuffle map stage pending partitions contains the partition update the accumulator. Wait, what? No, that's not. I don't. Yeah. Execution failed or task killed. We update the accumulators. So I feel like I'm missing something. Oh wait, this is if the event was successful. Wait, okay. Event completion. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck it's doing. I don't know why this would have this effect, right? Like only update the accumulator once. I'm a little bit confused. Wait. How would this work? I don't understand. And it's been a while since I looked at the accumulator subsystem. It's been like probably 2 or 3 weeks looking at it, not that long ago. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to update the title on Twitch. I should fix that. Whatever. Fix another day. Maybe I can do it here. So it doesn't say doohickey thing. Find out if that works. Anyways, okay. So I'm not super sure what's going on with that PR. That's all right. This is my own PR. Let's figure out what the latest is with this. I don't want to go to desktop guide. Okay. So it previously succeeded. Then 4 hours ago, I was like, yeah, I probably want to take a look at this. Let's make sure everything's okay. So I asked it to run again. Now if we go here, what's failing? That's weird. Where's this coming from? Oh, we don't have the create namespace is failing. That should be related. Sorry, that should be unrelated. So let's go ahead. I think create namespace failure. It's unrelated. Jenkins, retest this, please. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna just move this over here. Call it a day. Yeah, I mean this failure is almost certainly unrelated. Whatever, it's fine. We can ignore it. Add a mode to pin Python threads into the JVM. So this is something that I've looked at before, and it's kind of complicated, and I don't fully understand it. But there was a comment on it, and so it looks like another one of the Spark committers is suggesting that the price of pinning the Python threads into the JVM threads to fix this problem is maybe not great, although maybe it is. Yeah, maybe it's not okay, and maybe we should do something about this differently, right? And so this is, you know, I think we should expose this differently, or at least I think I did all the way back here. Oh yeah, no, I just thought pinning threads was kind of potentially excessive. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we can have multiple potential problems if we use thread locals, but like maybe we should just fix the places where we use thread locals rather than breaking garbage collection. But it looks like he's done a deeper dive on this than I have, so we will save this for them to discuss. Supporting Python dependencies. Okay, I mean, I like supporting Python dependencies. RPython what is RPython? I don't. Okay, maybe this means R as well as Python. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look if the file's changed. So if we've got something with local, we say we can, or add it to the server. Where is this coming in? So add file. Okay, that makes sense, kind of. Maybe? Yeah. It's already available on every node. Okay. What did we change? Okay, yeah, now we're printing out the path for when we're matching. That sounds good for debugging. Here we go ahead and we also get the py files. If it's Java, no resource else upload file URI resourcing conf. Okay. Else resource. So what is upload file URI doing? Is that a it looks like it's already looks like it's right here. Okay. So if we have a path to upload our files to, not so if it's local. What is local and resolvable mean? Okay, let's go look at Kubernetes utils because I'm not super sure. Kubernetes utils, Kubernetes utils.scala is local and resolvable. Okay, resource is not equal to no resource, and it is a local dependency. Okay, is local dependency. So essentially, if it's a file. Okay, sure, that seems reasonable. So if it's a file and it's Java, we said no resource. Otherwise, we upload the resource. I'm not sure I understand why we're uploading the resource here. Yes, local and resolvable. So I think I'm missing some context. Some context and others maybe as well. Could we add a comment about why we need to upload the JVM, upload the non-Java main resource. Okay, yeah, because I don't know why we're doing this. This goes ahead, uploads it, and returns the path to it. That seems entirely reasonable. Although previously, yeah, this wouldn't work. Okay. Okay, sequence jars files, Python files. So value. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah, no, this is just because I was doing a search. Then we upload all of these. Yeah, seems reasonable to me. Rewrite primary resource app jar, so it's also added to the Spark jars. By default in Spark submit, no uploading takes place here. Okay. 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 It looks like this logic has just been moved around. So that seems kind of reasonable. Okay, instead of watching for deletion, make sure we are able to create the resource. Some previous resource is still being deleted. Yeah, maybe make that as a comment, since most people won't go back to the so it's just like, hey, this is cool, but maybe we should make this as a comment so I know what the hell's going on. Because next time I'm not going to go back and find it, or I might, but like I don't want to. I don't know why we need the grace period 0. I imagine it's because like the test is timing out without it. Okay. Yeah, I think we do need to clean up the test a little bit. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, let's. Yeah. We have like minor question. But you know, hopefully we'll get it clarified, and then we can have good support for Python dependencies in Spark on Kubernetes. That would be really nice. This is one that I wanted to merge previously, but CI was failing in JDK 11. Yeah, this looks like not your fault. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is not Jeff's fault. I just haven't seen us doing this build before. And it looks like the Jenkins retest this doesn't do the same magic. So I am slightly concerned about merging this PR. In part, you know, it has a red check mark, and that's just a thing that I don't feel super comfortable with. I'm also kind of annoyed. I don't know how to rerun this test. It doesn't appear particularly clear to me how I would get this to rerun. Like, there is a details page. But I don't see it. any like rerun. It's kind of annoying. On the other hand, like, I mean, this PR is pretty much okay. I want to go see if does Jenkins just not show up in here? Why is Jenkins not showing up in here? Do we not run Jenkins anymore? Like, oh no, here. Okay, Spark QA says okay. I'm just gonna go with Spark QA on this one. If Spark QA says fine, I think we're fine. Oh wait, no, Spark QA said -9. 7 days ago, everything was fine. Everything was fine. Yeah, okay. I think this is okay to merge. This JDK11 failure is unrelated, and I don't know what's going on with it. If it's not okay to merge, I mean, sorry. Well, let's just double check. We haven't changed any imports or any of the pom.xmls. We're not, yeah. So this is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and merge it because I think it looks good to me. Well, okay, what was the error message? So, if field exists, resolver. Yeah. Yeah, looks good to me. Okay. I think. And so down here, that's my data set. That's our SQL conf. And then we try and access the column name for all dot column test modes. Wait, how does this, am I missing something? So that's case sensitive, yeah. This is the column name. And this is, we take this special character class 1, 2, 3. We convert it to a data set with case sensitive turned on or off. We validate that the error message is the one that we expect. Did you mean to quote the column name? Okay, I guess. Yeah, I think this is what I want. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and merge it. No, not what I wanted. Okay. Sorry, it just took me a little bit of time going back and forth on this one. Let's make sure that Jeff. Let's see if Jeff 303 is in Jira. So I want to assign the Jira to them. Yes, please log in with my LDAP credentials. This is why I couldn't access it the other day. I was using the wrong credentials to access it because of the migration. Or actually, it hadn't quite been the migration yet. They'd changed the account name. but they hadn't migrated it all the way. So now I think if I go and I go to id.apache.org, that should be the credentials that I log in with now. I think. Okay. Okay, looks like it is. And then we're going to go ahead and find this PR. Then we'll see if Jeff is. I don't actually. Do we have like an email address? Okay, Jeff Evans. Oh, okay, no, existing contributor. For some reason, I thought this was a first PR. Probably my bad, just getting PRs mixed up. Okay, we are going to go ahead and assign this to Jeff Evans. So, our evens, I'm not super sure. Cool, we'll assign this. I think that's the right user. If not, you can tell me. And so then we're going to go ahead and we're going to merge this PR. Okay. What branch am I on? Okay. Oof. I don't know why my computer's so slow right now. It's kind of weird. Oh, maybe it's just Apache. Whoa, sorry for the loud noise. No, it is my computer. Oh, no. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, I don't use the auto Jira, so I don't set that. This is my pull request number. I want to merge, so now we'll go ahead and say, yep, this is the PR that I wish to merge. Fetch it. That looks like the right person. And we say, yep, push to Apache. Okay, once my username, which is Hold'em. Once my password, which I'm not going to say out loud, and using my password manager. And then it might be Hold'em at apache.org. Oh, no, okay, that did the trick. I don't know why the fan turned on so high. Like, what's going on? Probably have something running and everything's swapped to disk. I don't know. No, and we don't want to cherry pick this to another branch. It's fine. So now we're going to go back to Jira. Then we're going to go ahead. That's not Jira. This one. And we're going to go ahead and resolve the issue. Fixed version is going to be 3. And resolve. Okay, and then we go here. I've been told I should leave a comment that says, okay, LGTM, merge to master. Cool. That's the ticket. Okay, with that, it's been a little bit over 30 minutes, and it's Monday night. I'm not saying I got a lot else better to do. But I kind of want to get the house ready a little bit for Carolyn, who's coming home, because last week was really stressful with all the car stuff going on. So I'm gonna wrap up a little bit early today. We'll just do like 35 minutes more or less. If you're interested, I'll be doing another admittedly short code review on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Pacific, and that's going to be to celebrate my birthday. So that will be fun. I will try and remember to wear a hat. There probably won't actually be cake, but I'll see what I can do. So, I mean, with that, thanks for joining me. I'm going to go and sort of get the house a little bit more ready. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your week, and I'll see you all around.